Kuzambo, daring at Pandora business Yumi smartwatch X1 Zimidi unbox binila. So let's unbox. Oh, you can see it's like this. And this is the watch, charge cable, USB, belts. And what we have next is we also have a manual guide book, small book. Now what is the next is I will show you how to set up this watch. This is the belt, so you have to put it like this, and in the back side of this belt, there is a lock. Right, you have to press this one. And the next belt, and this one is charger. This point you have to put it here, like this. And for the charging, you can use any type of adapter la. Ngachi datu di chiga ijam stable. The nana features kashi to the power the watch analyze and side na yani control. The analog watching ngachi language to tell an time la. Time set to scan benigya to. Tani watch ki features ki college watching ngachi college of to jogging with watching ani year like ngachi heart rate benigya analog. Then plus tracking radio, anzum radio ni watching temperature measure benigya la. Camera on vero na music ningonoru kache purana kambe. Ani watch the now to shade ni yetandere watching ngachi Pandora with app na lo dina shuru.